Children, today we are going to solve this word problems again. So till now we have learned, through our exercise 4.3 first bit, how to convert a given pair of equations which are not linear as linear pair, and then further we simplified it. We first found the values of a and b, and then later we found the values of x and y. Here some daily life situations is given, some word problems are given. So these word problems are also going to give us pair of equations, but let me tell you, those pair of equations will not be linear. So again we need to convert them as linear, and further we need to solve. Here you can see the question is given as formulate the following problems as pair of equations, but it's not given pair of linear equations. So again we will be getting some pair of equations which we need to convert as linear, and then further we need to find their solution, right? Yeah, so we can convert, or directly we will see how to find the solution. So let me start, and Vamshi Krishna, I will try to share you the answer of 8th solution, because you are the only one who asked me the 8th question, 8th bit of 8th sub question of first bit, right? Yeah, so don't worry, I will be sharing with you. So Vivek, can you read the question for me? This first question. Vivek, can you unmute? Did I give you access? Yeah, you can unmute. Vivek. Vivek, please respond. Children, is my voice clear? Everybody? Voice is clear, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, done. So, Vivek, where are you? Can you please read the first question, or shall I give chance to other? Don't take this much time. Vivek, Vivek. Maybe he exited. Okay, let me give a chance to Ashish. Ready?
Sir, a boat goes 30 km per upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 kilometer upstream and 55 kilometer downstream. Determine the speed of the stream and that of the boat in still water.
Okay, we'll find speed. We will find speed, but why you are reading that much speed? And moreover, Nana, we should not call it as km. It is kilometer, and this is not hour. It is hour. Okay, so a boat goes 33 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 kilometer upstream and 55 kilometer downstream. Determine the speed of the stream and that of boat in still water. So there are many things which we have to understand through this question first before solving. That is, first thing, what do you mean by upstream? What do you mean by downstream? And what do you mean by actually speed of the stream? What is stream? So these are the three things. So stream is nothing but flow of the water. The meaning of stream is what? Flow of the water. So when the water is flowing, definitely it will have certain speed. It may not be, very speed like the bike speed or the train speed, but it will have certain speed. The water, when it is flowing water, it will definitely have certain speed, right? Now, what do you mean by upstream? The meaning of upstream is traveling of a boat. I'm taking the access, Nana, because I'm getting some disturbance background. Yeah, thank you. See, beta, this is the question here. A boat goes 30 kilometer upstream. Now, what do you mean by upstream and downstream? First, let me write those two things here. Upstream and downstream. If this is flow of water, the water is flowing like this, right? This is the water flow. How it is flowing? It is flowing in this direction downwards. The water is flowing downwards, and if the boat, now let me assume that this is certain boat. Wow, sir, so much nice boat, sir. Forgive me and try to think that this is a boat, right? If this boat is traveling opposite to the direction, right? Not like this, it is going towards upside, right? Like this, if it is going, that is opposite to the direction of the flow of water, then it is nothing but, let me remove the boat, otherwise you will laugh. If the boat is traveling in this opposite direction of the water, then that is opposite direction of the stream, then we call that the boat is traveling upstream. The boat is traveling upstream. So this is the boat and this is the flow of water. The water, they are opposite direction. So that means what? Upstream is nothing but traveling opposite direction. Now downstream means what then? Downstream is nothing but, here, if the boat is also moving in the same direction of the flow of the water, then we call it as downstream. If the boat is traveling like this and even the water is also flowing are in the same direction, both are moving in the same direction, then we call it as downstream, right? Yes, so, and here this is called upstream. That means if the water is flowing like this and the boat is also going like this, then they are downstream. The boat is traveling downstream. And if the water is flowing like this and the boat is coming from opposite direction, right? Then we call it as upstream. So downstream means what? Traveling in the same direction. Traveling in the same direction. So from this, we should try to understand some more thing also. Now this time, assume that you are also traveling on the boat. Oh, how good. Yes. So when you are traveling on the boat, you should assume downstream speed will be more. Yes, correct. Downstream speed will be more. Very good. So here, assume, Nana, children, that you're traveling in the boat and now you're traveling upstream. Means you're traveling opposite to the direction of the flow of the water. Now let me assume that the speed of the boat is some x. The boat is traveling at some speed x. Or let me assume the speed of the boat is some 30 km/h, right? And the speed of the water is some 3 km/h, 3 km/h. Then what you will feel, you know, when you're traveling on the boat in the opposite direction, you will feel as if the boat is traveling at speed of 27 km/h. That means what? In upstream, what will be the relative speed? Relative speed, I repeat, relative speed will be difference between the speeds of boat and water. అంటే మీరు బోట్ లో కూర్చొని ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ లో పోతుంటే ఆ ఫ్లో ఆఫ్ వాటర్ ఏం చేస్తుంది? మీ 30 స్పీడ్ ని ఆయన 3 కిలోమీటర్స్ తగ్గించి 3 km/h తగ్గించి 27 లాగానే ఫీల్ అయ్యేలాగా చేస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే వాటర్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో హ్యావింగ్ సర్టన్ స్పీడ్, రైట్? సో వెన్ ద బోట్ ఈస్ ట్రావెలింగ్ ఆపోజిట్ టు దాట్, ఆ స్పీడ్ అనేది దీన్ని అవరోధిస్తుంది. ఇట్ విల్ బి లైక్ a resistance, and the relative speed will be x minus y. And downstream, now come to this boat, this side. Now you are traveling in this boat along with the direction of the water. So water kuda ee vidhanga potundi and boat is also going in the same direction, for example. Then what will happen? You know, the boat, if you are sitting on the boat, and you will feel as if the boat is moving in more speed. That means what? If the boat is in speed of 30 and the water speed is 3, then you will feel as if the boat is going at 33 kilometers because it will catch even the speed of water also. So finally, what I want to tell you that the relative speed downstream is what? Sum of the speeds. Relative speed upstream is what? It is difference of the speeds. So this is something which I want you to make understand before solving the question. Now everything I'm just taking out, and let us go to the solution. I hope everybody understood the upstream and downstream. Understood? Huh? Okay, thank you. Now here, let me read the question once again. A boat goes 30 kilometer upstream. Ante flow of water ki ఎదురుగా 30 kilometers travel చేసింది. Flow of water తో పాటు in the same direction 44 kilometer travel చేస్తే మొత్తం పట్టినటువంటి సమయ కాలం 10 hours. అదేవిధంగా in 13 hours it can go 40 kilometer upstream, అంటే 40 kilometer opposite direction of the water and 55 kilometer same direction of the water it has traveled, and it took 13 hours for that. Now we need to determine the speed of the stream and speed of boat in still water, right? So here, so what are the two things? Speed of boat and speed of water. Speed of boat and speed of water. Sir, speed of water ekkada unnadi sir. Speed of stream is nothing but speed of water. Sorry. So here in the solution we will be starting like this. Let speed of boat in still water. Let speed of boat in still water is equals to, as we are talking about speed, its unit should be kilometer per hour. So this is speed of the boat. Next, speed of stream, or you can call speed of water, that's up to you. So speed of the stream, let us assume it as y kilometer per hour. Right, sir? Right, sir. Now, just now, I have said to you, what, sir? Here I need to write relative speed. Maybe you heard this word in physics, relative speed, right? Relative speed upstream. అంటే ఒకవేళ బోట్ అనేది వాటర్ ఫ్లో కి ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ లో ప్రయాణం చేస్తున్నప్పుడు their speed will be subtracted, right? So it will be x minus y kilometer per hour. Sorry, and then relative speed of downstream. Relative speed downstream will be, we will feel as if we are moving in more speed, that it will be, sorry, x plus y, that is sum of the speeds. Relative speeds will be sum of the speeds, kilometer per hour. And yeah, so children, this is quite opposite when you're traveling on a road and two vehicles are moving, right? So two vehicles are moving, then the relative speed will be if they are moving in the same direction, the relative speed will be difference. And if they are moving in the opposite direction, then the relative speed will be sum. But here it is opposite. Please don't get confused. Afterward you sit and think, right? Okay. So next, here 1 minute, let me make you understand that what is the subject actually. What is the subject? The subject is time. Sir, ante endi sir? Here see, the question is telling that in 10 hours the boat is traveling 30 kilometer and 44 kilometer. Then again it is telling that in 13 hours it is traveling 40 kilometer upstream and 55 kilometer downstream. Mottanikete there is certain speed, there is some kilometer, that is distance, and there is some time, right? That is hours. So we have a relation in physics. Speed is nothing but it is the ratio of the distance traveled in unit time, right? That is speed is equals to distance upon time. But as you know, whom we are making the subject? Time. So let us make time as a subject. When time is going there, what will happen? These two will change their places and you will get d by s. I think you understood. T is equals to t by s. T is equals to t by s. So distance traveled by speed will be nothing but the time taken, right? So here, let me write here, time is equals to distance by speed. The same logic we are going to use, right? Yeah. We have a habit, what habit, sir? Of writing as per given first condition. As per given first condition. What is the given first condition? Don't feel that as a burden. You can write, if you want, you can write that 30 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream in 10 hours. That is the first condition. This is our first condition, right, Nana? So 30 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream. Aishwarya has joined just now or what? So here you can write that if you want, if you don't want to get confused. 30 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream. Sir, compulsory we should write, sir. If you write, I forgot to disable that. I thought that children are day by day, yeah, becoming good, no? Yeah. So 44 kilometer downstream in 10 hours. In 10 hours. In 10 hours. See beta. Now please understand. Let me think that what may be the time for the boat, time taken by the boat to travel 30 kilometer. So here time is distance by speed. So 30 kilometer, that is distance, and it has traveled upstream. So what is the speed of upstream? X minus Y. Sorry. So 30 by X minus Y, and means definitely I will be adding, plus 44 kilometer, that is 44 kilometer with what speed? Downstream. Downstream means what? It is X plus Y. So 44 by X plus Y. What, sir? See beta, this is the time taken, distance by speed. This is the time taken by the boat to travel 30 kilometer upstream, and this is the time taken by the boat to travel 44 kilometer downstream, right? So when you add these two, you will get the total time. What is the total time given? It has traveled in 10 hours, no? So it will be equals to 10. This is my equation number 1. Got it? Right, sir. Good. Now let me move to second condition, right? As per second condition, what is our second condition? Let me write here as per given second condition. What is the second condition? Have a look once again. In 13 hours, it can go 40 kilometer upstream and 55 kilometer downstream. So now 40 kilometer upstream, let me write here, 40 kilometer upstream and 55 kilometer downstream. 55 only, no? Maybe. Downstream in 13 hours. Now 3 hours more it has taken. Distance also more, no? Let me check once again. Yeah. 40 kilometer upstream and 55 kilometer downstream. So now 40 kilometer upstream, Nana. So 40 kilometer upstream. Upstream, what is the speed? Upstream is X minus Y, relative speed. Distance by speed. So this is the time taken by the boat to travel upstream, right? Next, 55 kilometer downstream. Downstream, what is the speed? X plus Y. Done. Yeah. For this totally they took how much time? 13 hours. Banu Prakash, you have any doubt? Yeah, Banu Prakash, you have a doubt on Nana? No. Right. So why people are joining very late? Why people are joining very late? Now I am getting the names as Cheshwant and some other people. Harsha, Pravalika. Why this much late, Nana? Okay, children, here we got two equations, and you can see that both the equations are not directly linear appearance, right? They are just equation. We have here by X minus Y, here X plus Y. So now we have to solve this as we did till yesterday, right? So equation 1, I'm going to put 1 by X minus Y. So directly I will write, sir. Yeah, you may understand or not. Let me go in a simpler manner. This 30 by X minus Y, actually I can write as 30 into 30 into 1 by X minus Y plus Here we have 44. 44 you take as common outside, and you will get 44 into 1 by x plus y is equals to 10. And this can be written as, Cheshwant, please mute Nana, 40 into 1 by x minus y plus 55 into 1 by x plus y is equals to 13. Manpreet Singh, phone हाथ में मत पकड़ो यार. Okay. कहीं रख दो and then see. Now I am going to write, children. What? Put, we got 1 by x minus y common 2 times, right? So put 1 by x minus y as certain A, that's what we do. And 1 by x plus y, that is the second bracket, as certain B. And what form we will get here? You can have a look. We can get something like 30A plus 44B is equals to 10. Let me take this as equation number 3, and then we'll get here 40A plus 55B is equals to 13. This is my equation number 4. So people, those who are genius, please start solving this. I will be solving. In the meanwhile, you can also solve, right? And text me the answer, right? Of x and y, not a and b. So here, children, what I'm doing is I'm going to eliminate a first. So for that, I need to make the coefficient as same. So 30, 40, LCM will be 120, right? So what I can do, I can multiply this equation 3 into 4 and equation 4 into 3. So 30 into 4, 120, 40 into Mistry. Enkala chusnavamma, textbook enkala chusava. Sorry for that, but very quick answer, no. So I got it out. Sorry for that, Nana. So equation 3 into 4. When you multiply equation 3 into 4, you will get 30A plus 44B is equals to 10. And this I am going to multiply into 4, Nana. Into 4, if you multiply, you will get 120A. That is 30 into 40. Sorry, 30 into 4 is 120. Now 44 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 6 carry 1, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17, 176B is equals to 10 4s are 40. This is my equation number 5. Now, equation 4, we need to multiply. Srihari, can you please unmute? Yeah, comedy anpistunda. What did you write, Srihari? Control chesko. Right? Chat box lo em rasavu adi andarki chupichetattu. Avasarama? So what is equation 4? Equation 4 is here, Nana. This is equation number 4. 40A plus 55B is equals to 13. So here I'm writing 40A plus 55B is equals to 13. And this we need to multiply into 3. Right? So 40 into 3 is 120A plus 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15, 16. 165B is equals to 13 3s are 39. This is my equation number 6. So what can I do? Now I can do some subtraction, right? I will be trying to do some subtraction, but what to what? 5 minus 6 or 6 minus 5? 5 minus 6. Let me go with 5 minus 6. Equation 5 minus equation 6. That's what I'm going to do. What is equation 5? Once again, we have to check, Nana. Equation 5 is 120A, sorry, 120A plus 176B is equals to 40. And equation 6 is 120A plus 165B is equals to 39. Maybe you understood that why I decided to subtract. I decided to subtract because both 120 are positive here. Both 120A, 120A, both are having same sign. So when you do subtraction, the second equation symbol will change. You will get minus here, and again minus here. And please respect it by putting in the bracket, right? Yeah. So we are getting many answers. Sahiti gave the answer. Sai Dikshit gave the answer. I'm getting some different answer, but Vinay Raj, very good. Instead of writing x and y, he is writing speed of the boat, right? At least, yeah. So that is something which we want. So 120a minus 120a will get cancelled. 176 minus 165 is, I think, 11b. 11b is equals to 1. 40 minus 39 is 1. We are getting b as 1 by 11, Nana. So we got b as 1 by 11. This b we have to submit in equation 3. Let us substitute. On substituting, why on substituting, let us write substitute. Substitute what? B is equals to 1 by 11 in equation number 3. You can substitute in 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, but I am comfortable with 3, so that's why I'm going to substitute in equation number 3. Once again, we need to write what is equation number 3. Equation number 3 is 30a plus 44b is equals to 10. Where it is? It is over here. You can see 30a plus 44b is equals to 10. Now substitute b, and remaining will be as it is. 44b means 44 into b is by into 1 by 11 is equals to 10. Now here 11 one times, 11 4 sir, right? So what we are getting? We are getting, sir, something like 30a plus 4 ones are 4, right? So 30a plus 4 is equals to 10. That is 30a is equals to 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. So 30a is equals to 6. That is a is equals to 6 by 30. That is a is equals to 1 by 5. 6 ones are 6 fives are. So finally we are getting a as 1 by 5 here. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost. So don't feel happy, we got just A and B. So there was some situation where you were in need of money, and you took the hand loan over here. You took 1 by x minus y as A, 1 by x plus y as B. Now it's the time to return the money. So let us return. In the place of A, what we got here, once again, I'm going to write A we got as 1 by 5, but A is actually 1 by x minus y is equals to 1 by 5, right? And then we got B as, what we got B as? B as 1 by 11, right? So 1 by 11. But what is B actually? B is 1 by x plus y is equals to 1 by 11. Have a look. What is B here? B is 1 by x plus y. That's what I have written. So maybe yesterday I have said to you guys that if the numerators are equal, that is both are same, then directly you can take that the denominators are also equal. That means you can write here directly without doing cross multiplication. You can directly write that implies x minus y is equals to 5. And here x plus y is equals to 11. What is the count? Count, I mean to say how many equations we completed till now. Till now 6 we completed, right? So now 7 and 8, you can take this as equation number 7. This is equation number 7 and this is equation number 8. Don't feel very much sensitive because now we are going to get the answer finally. Here I'm going to add equation 7 and equation number 8. Yeah, I'm getting some chat options. Many people are giving answer. A Sai Anudev, Manpreet Singh. Okay. So equation 7 is what, Nana? X minus y is equals to 5. And equation 8 is x plus y is equals to 11. You know why did I add here? Why I'm adding here? I'm adding because already I saw there is minus y plus 5. That is laddu for me. So let us have it directly now. So plus. Minus y plus y will get cancelled, Nana. We are adding here. So when we add the equation, there will not be any change in the symbol of equation 2. So x plus x is 2x and 5 plus 11 is 16. 2 1s are 2 8s are 16. That is, we are getting x is equals to 8. Right? Let us put it in a box. We got x. Now you can substitute this x. Substitute x is equals to 8 in equation number 8. Why? Because equation number 8 is having plus y, right? Equation number 7 is having minus y. So why minus y? We want plus y, no? So let us substitute in that. We have x plus y is equals to 11. That is 8 plus y is equals to 11. That is y is equals to 11 minus 8. I mean to say y is equals to 3. So finally we are getting both x and y here. X is 8 and y is 3. But long ago, right? What do we took as? Actually x means what and y means what? Have a look here. X means it is speed of the boat and y means it is speed of the stream along with units. Yeah, so very lengthy question. Oh malla. So here we will be writing at last like this. Therefore, speed of boat is equals to x. But what is x here? X is 8. Speed of boat is equals to 8 kilometer per hour. And speed of stream, and then these are flow of water. Speed of stream is equals to y, and y we got as 3 kilometer per hour. Yeah, now I am done with the first solution. It will take a lot of place. Yeah. Oh my god, still I have to decrease the size. Or you will take 2 times screenshot. Just a minute, wait. You take better 2 times screenshot.
Sir, 2 times other.
हाँ ठीक है मनप्रीत, आप बोले तो ठीक है भैया. Take screenshot of this. Did you take? Yeah. Next. Still 2 also not. Yeah. Okay. Now take screenshot of this. Show me thumbs up. If done. Again, I should help you. Dear Ashwita, you're not showing thumbs up. Yeah. No. If you have not taken, then I will again. Right. Okay. Thank you. So now let me take you to the second question. I think it's, yeah, second question. See, beta, same sort of questions are also available in your examples also. So even we cannot, without seeing the, the examples, actually we should not come here. But as per the situation, we are directly coming here. So I request you that you go across or go through the example sums also. You can come across same sort of questions, same type of questions will be there, like boat, upstream, downstream, traveling by car, traveling on foot, traveling by train, and then men doing work, women doing work, means number of days, right? Okay, so this is the second question, Nana. This time I will be reading the question on myself. So Rahim, he is traveling to his home, maybe lockdown, that's why. So he's traveling 600 kilometer to his home, partially by train and partially by car. Sorry, not partially, partly. So some distance he covered by train and the other distance he covered by car. Good. So he takes 8 hours if he travels 120 kilometer by train and the rest by car. అంటే ఒకవేళ ఆయన మొత్తం 600 కిలోమీటర్స్ లో 120 కిలోమీటర్స్ ట్రైన్ లో పోయి మిగతాది ఎంత ఉంటుందమ్మా 480 కిలోమీటర్స్, అది ఒకవేళ కార్ లో పోతే he will take around 8 hours, right? Yeah. And he will take Hyderabad to Bangalore 600 kilometers. Yeah, correct. Yeah, maybe. So he takes 20 minutes more if he travels 200 kilometers by train and the rest by the car. That means, see, whenever we are traveling by car more, it may take more time, I think, or car less or train more, we may get speed up. I don't know. So 20 minutes more means previously he took 8 hours. Now he will be taking 8 hours 20 minutes. How? If he's traveling instead of 120 kilometers, 200 kilometers by train. Train lo ekkobothunadu. So rest by car. Rest means how much? 400 kilometers. 400 kilometers by car. Then we should find the speed of the train and speed of the car. Yes, Nana. So let us find that. So maybe you understood the first step. So in this, I'm not going to take you till the climax. Maybe somewhere in the middle I may drop. I don't know. I have 14 minutes time. We may complete, right? If I go a little bit speed. Let speed of the train, I will take it as x. Speed of the train is x. And speed of the car, I'm taking as y. Sir, where is the unit, sir? Yeah, sorry. Kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. Right, Nana? Okay. So, yeah, one more thing is given. Total distance, sorry. Given distance is equals to distance of traveling or distance to be traveled is equals to 600 kilometers, right? Yes, sir. Now I'm going to the first condition. As per first condition, sir, this much quickly, sir. Yeah, here no downstream, no upstream, no. So as per given first condition, what is the first condition? Rahim travels 600 kilometers to his home partly by train and partly by car. This is the first condition. He takes 8 hours. He takes, this is the first condition. He takes 8 hours if he travels 120 kilometer by train and rest by car. Now understand here. Again, the subject is time only, Nana. You know, speed is distance by time. So time will be distance by speed, right? Yes. So as per first condition here, if you want to write, you can write the condition also, like 8 hours, 8 hours if 120 kilometer by train. If you want, you can write this option, and rest by car, and rest by car. So 8 hours, Nana, we will take this 8 hours as the subject is equals to 8. Now let us understand what is the time taken by the Rahim to travel 120 kilometer by train. 120 kilometer distance he has traveled, Nana. So 120 by what? 120 kilometer by train. Now what is the speed of the train? Speed of the train is x. So 120 by x. Sir, here any relative speed? No relative speed. Why here relative speed here? Train is train, car is car. Train, car, they are not traveling. Yeah. So together, no. So why relative speed? No. So 120 by x plus rest by car. So what is the rest distance? If 120 kilometers is over, what is the rest distance? The rest distance is 480. How, sir? Because 600 minus 120 is 480. If I'm doing wrong, please block me. So this 480 distance is traveling by car, and the speed of the car is y kilometer per hour. That is 480 by y, and this is equals to 8. This is equals to what? 8. So this is as per the first condition we are getting. Now as per the second condition, let me take second condition. As per the second condition, what is the second condition? If who is that? Vivek. If 200 kilometer by train, if 200 kilometer by train and rest by car, it takes 20 minutes more. No, that's not the question. Yeah, it takes 20 minutes more. It takes 20 minutes more means what? It takes 8 hours 20 minutes. Done. So now 200 kilometer by train. So 200 by train, speed of the train is x, plus remaining is distance is 400. So 400 by car, so car speed is y, is equals to 8 hour 20 minutes. Previously it was 8 hour, pure 8 hour, pure hour. See children, here this is the time. Sir, how can you say time, sir? Because distance by speed is time only, no? Distance by speed is what? Time. So this is the time taken by Rahim to travel on train, 200 distance by x speed. And this is the time taken by Rahim to travel by car. So 400 distance by speed of the car is y. So totally the time taken is 8 hours 20 minutes. But there is a problem here. What is the problem? The problem is we have to convert everything as hours here. So this can be, you know, further transformed as 8 into 8 plus, right? 8 hours plus 20 by 60. So when I write 20 by 60, there is no more minute. It also will become hour. 0 0 cut, 2 1s are 2 3s. Wow, sir. Yes. So finally I'm getting what? 8 1 by 3 hour. You want to convert it again? Yeah, you can convert it. It is again still 25 by 3. How, sir? Sit and think. Okay. So finally I'm getting that. I hope you will understand this. So what I'm getting, once again, let me write it in a good manner. 200 by x plus 400 by y is equals to 25 by 3. What, sir? 8 hours 20 minutes we got as 25 by 3 hours. Yes, Nana. Yes, Nana. This is hours, no? So even here also we should write as hours. Now have a look. I forgot to take this as equation 1. It is free of cost, Nana. So don't feel as a burden. Take no equation. It's equation only, no? It's not linear equation. Now equation 1 will be transformed. I have to decrease the size. I'm feeling, yes. Equation 1. This equation 1 will be transformed like this, Nana. I can take 120 as common outside. 120 and 1 by x plus 480 and then 1 by y is equals to 8, right? So this one is going to become 200. You are taking outside 1 by x plus 400 outside 1 by y is equals to 25 by 3. So what did you observe? What brackets you got? Bracket will decide who will A, who will be B. So I am going to put 1 by x as A and 1 by y as B. So let us put what we will get. If we put here, we will get 120 A plus 480 B is equals to 8. Equation Sankhya 3. Then one more, we will get 200A plus 400B is equals to 25 by 3. This is equation number 4. Want to see again? See beta, what did I do? In the place of 1 by x, I put A. So here put A. This is also A. This is B. This is B. So 120A plus 480B is equals to 8. Yeah, 120A plus 480B is equals to 8. And here we got 200A plus 400B is equals to 25 by 3. Now, after this, further you need to either, you know, eliminate A or eliminate B. And after elimination, again, you will get X and Y by the method which we have already done. I hope. Speed of the train is 60. Sahiti has written the answer. Speed of the car is 80 kilometer. Yeah, no, the time is up. So I have to conclude here itself. Sorry, I could not take you to the speed. You find the speed and then you post to me. Equation 3 or 4. Manpreet Singh, this is not the end, Nana. इसके बाद भी बहुत कुछ है, right? आपको same करना है coefficient either A or B. उसके बाद A and B को, you know, eliminate करना है. Then X and Y को find out करना है. All the best, children. Just a minute, let me decrease the size so that at least you can take the snapshot of this. Vinay Raj gave the answer. Please take the screenshot of this.